Let's stay away from doing this again. Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, guys? Sorry for the wins. We are at Race Wars. We are testing the angle kit out once again. Yesterday had a little mishap, kissed the wall, whatever. Wah, wah, wah. It happened. Anyway, had a little damage, not too much though. It just knocked the alignment out of adjustment. So the outer tow rods have 3 notches where they can go for different angle preferences: street, moderate, and track. So when I hit the wall, it knocked this wheel out of a notch. So the entire day yesterday I was drifting and both of the wheels were inwards like this, which is not good when you're drifting. That's probably why I was fighting with it the entire day. But huge shout out to my guy Cisco at City Performance. He got the car in last night, fixed alignment, dialed it all in, and now we are back. Fresh tires on the rear. We got another set over there. I went a 9.0 in this car yesterday, but today we're gonna be drifting. So let's hop in the car and get out there. Go have a successful mission this time. Let's stay away from doing this again.
First time in a stick shift Hellcat. A little different, not gonna deny it.
So if you guys don't know, this is PJ. He's the owner of the 1400 horsepower Hellcat I drove yesterday. But yeah, we're gonna give him a ride in a drift car and we're gonna see his reaction.
So they don't let anybody passenger in fast drag cars unless you're like really slow. So we're going next best deal, which is in a drift car.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I know most of you guys probably wonder the same thing, since you know mine's kind of an automatic. I had to ask, so Mr. Jensen, do you clutch kick it, or do we just like, you know, blah, 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 you know, how does that work?
It depends what mood I'm in. Usually I'll just romp on it, but I've been doing this course in third, or I'll start in second, hit third, back down to second. So I'll usually just roll on it in second and then fucking give her a good flick. But yeah,
so we'll get to see that firsthand.
We'll see what mood I'm in when we get there.
incidents. We're gonna try to smoothen things out just a little bit. Typical.
Driving sketchy.
Yeah,
I'm driving sketchy. I'm gonna smooth it up. Lap of the day. All right. Sucks. Last lap. Alright, so I got here a little late today. Fucking only got 4 laps in, which is obviously not the best. I got hell of tires left. Alright, so not satisfied with the driving that was done today. So we're going over to Summer Jam and we're just gonna see. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous as hell with this angle kit going on Summer Jam. You guys will see, but we're gonna send it. Alright, here we go. Summer Jam course. It's where the big guys come to play. Very minimal room for error, but at least here, for the most part, you go into the dirt. The other course, you go into the wall. How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
Pretty good. How
About time you got up here.
Yeah, I'm just trying to dial in the new angle kit. Now I'm just like, fuck it, I'm gonna send it.
It looks great. Car looks good.
Thank you, sir.
Looks really good.
Thank you.
I can't wait to see it run now.
Yes, sir. What time does this close?
This will be it. You got like 1 or 2 laps more and that's it.
Okay. Yeah,
We're ready.
they're already closed down there.
Are they?
Yeah.
So it'll be this will probably be the final.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, he's saying last lap. So I'm gonna get 1 on Summer Jam. Let's make it count. Thank you, bro. Yee! That shit's always so cool. Running into people that watch the videos. Yay! Love that. So usually we'll do 3rd to 4th at the top of the hill. When I had the auto trans, now I'm gonna probably just stay in 3rd. See what's going on.
Working our last runs.
All right. Thank you, sir. Alrighty, let's get it. Oh, locked up on me. Definitely need fourth gear on this one. Alright, that was too short of a gear. Way too short of a gear. Damn near needs to be fourth. But we got one in. We see how it felt. So I've noticed with this angle kit, Jesus Christ, I just got so much dirt in here. Fuck. Time out. Dude, I'm just hotboxing dirt now. I've noticed once you rev out with this angle kit and hydraulic power steering, it does not like it. It starts to straighten out and it starts to lose power steering because the pump's working so hard. So we're definitely gonna have to go electric, but now I know what it feels like on Summer Jam. We'll have to hit it tomorrow. I think there's a competition, but I'm not sure. But that was kind of disappointing, not gonna lie. Didn't get much driving in today. I'm gonna have to come early tomorrow because I didn't even go through this set of tires. Walk that one more time. Alright guys, so didn't get too many laps in today. Didn't even get to go through one set of tires, which is pretty crazy. Lines were long, but I'll be here tomorrow driving all day. Car felt a little strange. As you can tell, I almost hit the fucking wall again. I don't know how I didn't touch it or skim it or scratch anything. It's wild. Jesus really took the wheel. But yeah, had a bunch of fun today. I'll be back tomorrow, kill some more tires, and hit Summer Jam if I can, because they have a competition, but I wanna link that. God damn. Honda guys. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, thumbs up, all that stuff. And remember, I'm testing, so we're doing an R&D right now. We're not like full sending it, so tomorrow I think we'll full send it. Anyway, car's doing great. Shout out to Underground Tuning, shout out to City Performance, shout out to all the sponsors. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. See you tomorrow. Doses.